G'day cocktail lovers, I'm making a concoction in the kitchen again, so you get to see another flamboyant shirt. The last one I made, which was the winter colada liqueur, went so well. Me and a friend knocked it off in Halloween actually, so I decided to make another one. A little bit of a twist. I wanted to do something different. This one's going to be tequila based, and it's going to be recreating the vibe of a margarita, but in liqueur form. I'm going to go through the process, but I'll compress it for you this time. The first thing I want to make is Tepache. So I cut the rind off the pineapple, put it in a bowl, cover it in 4.5 cups of water. And then the traditional recipe says add half a cup of brown sugar. I actually did 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of a sugar syrup I made that has chai and cinnamon in it. Then we add some spice notes. You can do whatever you want. I went with cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. You leave that mixture for 1 to 2 days. You should get some light fermentation, and then you can strain it into a bottle. I also decided to steep some pineapple in the tequila. I put the pineapple in the glass, put the tequila in, left it for about a week. To put it together, I'm going to use a 750 ml bottle. I'm going to use 450 ml of the pineapple tequila, 100 ml of Tepache, 100 ml of a lime liqueur, 100 ml of sugar syrup, and I'm going to split that between that same cinnamon and chai sugar syrup and an oleo saccharum that's made with lemon and lime and pineapple. You want to let the flavors in that drink sit together for at least a day or two, so I'm going to put that aside, and that means when I come back for tasting, you'll get to see another shirt. And here we are with the final product, my pineapple infused Margarita Liqueur. I thought it would be fun to do a side-by-side taste of this with a classic straight up margarita. So I'm going to make them both. I think I'll salt half the rim of the glasses as well to see if having this with salt is a good idea or a bad idea. Let's make those and I'll taste them. Here they are, side by side. This is the liqueur that I made. This is a fresh shaken margarita. I'm going to taste the liqueur first. That is really good. The pineapple's really coming through. This really tastes like a liqueur. Now, the fresh shaken margarita, of course, no surprise, is much brighter. The fresh lime makes this a totally different beast to the liqueur style one. I'm going to take a little taste of the salted rim now, and no, salt works really well with the liqueur and with the fresh shaken margarita. Both good, both good. Okay, I thoroughly recommend if you want something you can keep in the fridge for a while, because if you make something with fresh lime, it does lose its brightness pretty quickly, but making it liqueur style, it's reminiscent of a margarita, but it has its own character. And you can keep it in the fridge, serve it up. If you wanted to brighten it up just before you served it, you could shake it with fresh lime juice. Or for that matter, you could put it in a tall glass with ice and add some soda. I think this is very versatile. You could do quite a few things with it. And yeah, I think it's always worth experimenting because you can have a bit of fun and you never know what comes out the other end. If you want to join me for more experiments, I hope you do. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't done that already, and if you're not subscribed, it would be great if you're subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. But whatever you're doing, I'm busy double fisting here, so I hope you're looking after yourself, looking after people around you. Until I see you again, cheers.